When it comes to truly healthy hair, everything starts in the shower. Your wash day routine is critical to your end results. That's why we spent the last 2 years developing the Money Laundering Shampoo and Conditioning Glosser system so that it could really deliver what we call scandalously rich results. If the quality of your hair is not super healthy and glossy looking from the beginning, no amount of styling can deliver a wow result. Let's start with the Money Laundering Shampoo, which has been engineered to be super hydrating without weighing hair down, which is what makes this formula so impressive. In order to have super healthy looking hair, it must be properly hydrated from within, which is why the Money Laundering Shampoo contains hyaluronic acid, an extremely powerful water-binding ingredient. It also contains 4 nutrient-rich marine algae for even more hydration. What also makes this shampoo different is that it is powered by Color Wow's residue-free cleansing complex. So every single ingredient rinses off completely. That means no dulling film, no buildup, no invisible coating left behind, so hair becomes super reflective. And of course, it's sulfate-free for a totally gentle cleanse. Once hair is hydrated from within, Money Laundering's Conditioner Glosser seals it in with 3 100% plant-based silicone alternatives, castor and safflower oils, which also moisturize for supple, swingy strands. We've also included octododecyl PCA, a biometric ceramide, which locks down the cuticle like a vault. When the cuticle is sealed, light reflects evenly. That's what gives you that mirror-like shine. When you use the Money Laundering Shampoo and Conditioner together, you're getting the complete money experience. Hair is completely clean, deeply hydrated, sealed smooth, and dripping in high gloss shine. It looks expensive, scandalously rich, and the fragrance is addictive.